Hello out there, all you YouTube fans. Boy, wait till you see what I got to show you this morning. I just got this weekend. Y'all see it? Y'all seen that, didn't you? Y'all want to look at it again? There you go. Okay, I'm going to show it to you. Don't be skipping, because I got some other stuff to show you. This is a 1970, let me turn it, Shimano. This is one of the first bait casters that Shimano come out with. And this thing is in really nice shape. Look at the engraving on it. Isn't that nice? Turn this thing over. It's got a few scars on it, just the normal stuff. Look at that. Boy, that is really nice. And this thing works good. Everything on it. You could put string on this and you could go use it. Look at that. Yeah, I'm really proud to own this. I wished it had the box with it. But hey, I can't be picky. You see, it's got a excuse me so much. It's got a few scars on it from being used, and you can tell whoever had it used it, but they took care of it. This thing works great. I just had to show it to you. It's a beautiful reel for being a 1970s model. Excuse me again. The next thing I got this weekend were these three Abu Garcias. This one's in pretty bad shape. It needs to be work done on it, but other than that, shoot, it'll be back to working in no time. And this one here's pretty sweet. It works good. Everything, the drag works. Everything works on this thing, and it's a pretty nice reel. If you see that price tag, says $15. Come from a garage sale. But this thing's in pretty good shape. It's missing the cap right there. But I got plenty of those. But those are pretty good shape here. And here's the last one. It's a little dirty. Needs to be cleaned up. See how dirty it is? But it's take a cleaning to it. Boy, you could put you some new string on it. And man, you could go catch you some catfish with that bad boy. Hey, look here. Man, you all of my subscribers, even the people that skip, I can't thank y'all enough. Pardon me. I can't thank y'all enough for subscribing to Wayno's Rod House. Y'all are awesome. I'm just a funny talking fat old 75-year-old man I love doing what I do. I don't know how to edit videos. I don't know how to do any of that. Y'all put up with these raw videos. I appreciate everything, and I appreciate y'all looking and comment. And by the way, some of you comment, and I tried to look at some of y'all's videos. Some of y'all got some good videos out there, but I can't comment on them because you got your comments turned off. So, hey, turn your videos, your comments on so I can comment on your videos. And with that being said, I'd like to give a shout out to Knuckle Buster Garage. Hope everything's going good for y'all. Y'all check his page out. Knuckle Buckle Garage. Let's see, Knuckle Buster Garage. So y'all check him out, man. And if you don't like that one, check out the other one that's on my page, and it's called A Shade Tree Mechanic. Hey, thank y'all for tuning in. I love y'all. Y'all have a great week. I'll see you on the next one. And remember, family, friends, and fishing. So y'all get out there and go fishing and happy RVing, and I love each and every one of you beautiful people. We'll see you on the next one. Signing off.